Shared Cowper Coles, chair of the China-Britain Business Council, had said a better connection between the United Kingdom and China in terms of investment and trade will benefit both sides.
Now with UK-China trade at record levels, £110 billion last year, well north of 1,000 billion RMB. We're at a new stage. There is an expression in English that all ships float on a rising tide. It's not just the Chinese junk that floats, it's the English steamship that rises too on a tide of growing prosperity, which comes from these global connections between what is the second largest economy in the world and still the sixth largest economy.
In Cowper Coles' view, there are many business opportunities between the two countries.
In particular sectors in China, Britain has a very important role to play. Chinese consumers seem to love British brands, whether it's Range Rovers manufactured in Solihull or Scotch whisky distilled in the Highlands. We sell cosmetics to China. We sell advanced pumps, all sorts of advanced manufacturing equipment. So it's very much a two-way trade, and we buy, of course, huge quantities from China. I think the transition to net zero, we're on a great journey together. The transition towards more sustainable economic development, but also health, life sciences, areas of great expertise where we have much to offer China.
According to Britain's official data, the total trade in goods and services between Britain and China increased by 18.3% to £111 billion in 2022, and Britain's exports to China increased by 37.7% to £37.6 billion.